The Nike Air Max 90 may not be dominating headlines with constant collaborations lately, but its presence remains strong through consistent, clean inline releases. As we look ahead to 2026, Nike is set to drop a fresh and versatile grayscale colorway that adds just the right amount of seasonal flair. This upcoming Air Max 90 features a white mesh base paired with crisp white leather quarter panels, delivering a timeless and wearable look. College gray and vast gray details appear on the midsole, wedge and TPU accents, creating subtle contrast without overpowering the design. What truly elevates the pair is the laser orange accent, highlighted on the Swoosh, visible Air unit, and Nike Air branding. Despite the name, laser orange leans closer to a bold yellow, adding energy and visual pop. For fans of the triple white Air Max 90, this release offers a slightly bolder everyday option. The Nike Air Max 90 Laser Orange is expected to release in spring 2026, priced at $135 in men's sizing.